Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Bybit. So go ahead on your Phantom Wallet and choose the currency you want to transfer. As you can see, there's only 4 on Phantom Wallet and you can only transfer, for example, Polygon, Solana, and so on and so forth. So for example, Solana, now you're going to click the second button at the top, which is send now. You will choose the currency. So for example, for today, let's choose Solana, and now you will need to go ahead and enter the address which we're going to get on Bybit. On Bybit, you want to go ahead on assets. In the right corner from here, you're going to choose deposit option and deposit crypto at the bottom. Now you're going to search for Solana, and here it is. Once you will choose Solana, now you will need to choose the chain type, which is Sol network. Now here you will see your address which you want to go ahead and copy. Once you have copied it, go back to Phantom Wallet. Now once you will enter the address here and paste it here, click next, and now you enter the amount you want to go ahead and transfer, and then click send. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.